Guys, my name is Nicole, and for this little assignment, I chose to research Asperger's syndrome. I chose this topic just because I know a lot of people actually who have Asperger's syndrome, and I think it's very interesting how it's present in different age groups and in different types of people. So I will be talking about that today. For a little overview, Asperger's syndrome is when people have difficulty relating to other people socially. These people usually perform fairly well in school. They have average intelligence, but they have trouble understanding social institutions and subtle forms of communication, such as humor and sarcasm and body language. These people often may talk about one topic and they kind of fixate on that, and it may become obsessive and take over their daily life. But most of the parts of Asperger's syndrome are social. So children usually have no signs of delays in language development or cognitive development. They usually have average intelligence, like I said earlier. And for this reason, it can be kind of hard to diagnose the syndrome because it may seem like it's similar to ADHD or OCD or ODD. Most children who are diagnosed between the ages of 5 and 9, and they're usually diagnosed as early as age 3. So like I said, it can be kind of difficult to diagnose the syndrome when children aren't really having social interactions yet. They're not really around too many other people, just because it's purely social. It's not really cognitive or intellectual or anything like that. So I guess, like I just said, this obviously affects children's development somewhat, but in different ways than some other syndromes and disorders may, just because it doesn't really affect them cognitively or intellectually or anything like that, but it does affect their social interactions and how they develop in terms of that. So there's my little presentation on Asperger's syndrome. I think it's super interesting, and I think that people who do have Asperger's are super interesting as well. And I would love to learn more as we talk more about development in this class.